What is up, everyone? I hope you're all having a fantastic night. In today's video, it's actually going to be a cooking vlog, but if you're new here, my name is Jessi and I do makeup, lifestyle, and cooking videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join our little YouTube fam where we upload new videos 2 to 3 times a week. I like that. I'm sorry, I really like my intro right there. But in today's video, we're going to be doing these shrimp spaghetti with a kick with garlic butter and zucchini. The best part is Kevin hates shrimp. I don't know why it's the best part, but for me it's the best part. Now, actually, let's grab our shrimp and our, what do you call it, bag? Our shrimp bag. You guys actually kind of fit kind of perfect right there. Alright, so now in our bag for 4 servings we have, whoops, I just scratched my zucchini, but we have, I don't know where the thing. We have 12 ounces of spaghetti, a half a cup of Parmesan, 2 zucchinis. Oh man, I hit my tripod. Roasted garlic butter. It's probably literally just butter and roasted garlic. So there's butter, roasted garlic, parsley, basil, oregano, chives, onion, salt, more garlic, salt, and black pepper. So, I mean, you can kind of basically make it at home. You just need to roast your garlic. 2 little chilies. And then, of course, the thing that doesn't come in the box, 20 ounces of shrimp. Oh, we're over here. 20 ounces of shrimp. These are these peeled? Yes. So these are already peeled and deveined. They're just raw. Now we need a large pot, the strainer, some paper towel, a large pan, salt and pepper, and olive oil. And I just filled my pot with water because I know I'm gonna need it. I kind of like you up there. Alright, so first we're going to bring the large pot of, so I don't like how they say salted water because if you actually salt your pot prior to the water boiling, you're going to have the potential to burn the bottom of the pot. So I always salt mine after it boils. Freshly washed zucchini. We are going to trim in half the zucchini. I'm not gonna half it right away, so okay. So now we are going to trim and cut the zucchini into 1/2 inch thick discs, and then we're gonna cut those in half so they're like little moons. You can either cut it in half first and then slice it, or you could slice it in that, whatever you prefer. So before I cut the chili, we need to move these. So I'm going to heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pan, and then we're gonna add the sliced zucchini, and then we're gonna chop and then we're gonna chop the chili, and then we're gonna add that to this pan. Pan right there, right here. While that's actually going to just heat up for like 2 seconds, we're gonna rinse our shrimp. I can tell you, these are not deveined shrimp. So that's, I'm glad I know how to devein shrimp. So we're gonna devein some shrimp really quick. Yeah, if you don't know how to devein shrimp, this back part right here, you just kind of give it a little shoop. And this comes out. And you also have to cut the inside right here. And if you don't know what this actually is, it is not a vein. Nope. It's their intestines. Now that we've done that, let's cook the zucchini. No baby sit begging. We also need to throw our spaghetti in the pot. Alright, now while that cooks, let's cut and de-seed the chili. And we're also gonna like chop it up in there. Yeah. So now to the zucchini, we're going to add a little bit of the chili, as much chili honestly as you'd like, salt and pepper. While the spaghetti cooks and the zucchini cooks, I'm going to put my battery on the charger for, you know, like 5 minutes, because that's about as long as that's going to cook. If I can find my charger. Yeah. Can't find my charger. We gotta make this quick. But this is almost done. Make sure you save about like a cup of the reserved like cooking water, because you're gonna add that to the sauce. These are cooking. Now you're supposed to slide them over, add a little bit more oil, and then add the shrimp and cook, you know, for like 3 to 4 minutes until the shrimp are actually done. And he doesn't like shrimp. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cook the shrimp a little bit separate. I'm gonna cook the shrimp separate in a separate pan. And then when that is done, you're going to add the garlic butter to the, this is where it gets a little confusing, but you're gonna add the garlic butter to the pan. I'm gonna do it in 2 separate pans. And then a little bit of like the pasta water, and you add Parmesan to it. Yes, and so you're gonna add half the Parmesan to it. I usually just add all of it because we don't really like it on top. We like grated Parmesan on top. But anyways, and then you're gonna stir it all together, or in my case, stir them separately, and then for me, put it together. This is confusing, and yeah. And then you could serve with the like leftover little, you know, little bits of chili. But alright, so to my shrimp, I just added some salt and pepper and a little bit of like the chili. I'm now going to add the spaghetti to the zucchini pan, and then the, wait, do you add the garlic butter first? No. No, you don't. We add the spaghetti and then the garlic butter. So I'm going to add that. And then once my shrimp are done, I'm going to add just a little bit of the garlic butter to that. That way they have their own like little kind of sauce going on, you know. I really love seafood. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little like cooking vlog. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here, especially if you enjoyed this and you want more content from me, more makeup, lifestyle, and cooking. And if you enjoyed And if you want to binge watch some more content or you just want to hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking this time to cook with me this HelloFresh shrimp spaghetti with the kick and garlic herb butter and zucchini. Forgot how to do my outro. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will see you in my next video. Bye.